Hey YouTube, I'm gonna open a box of Draft Edition today. Draft Edition Upper Deck, and the new Upper Deck Series 1 baseball commercial pack. So I think I'll start with that first. Kind of hard to open this. Sorry about it. It takes a long time for me to open this. Okay, here we go. It's 18 cards per pack. First card, ooh, like the design. Aubrey Huff. Edison Volquez. Aramis Ramirez. Coco Chris, she's not on the Red Sox anymore. Don't put the card. Luke Hovachar, is that what he said? Hovachar. Flaco Palaga. Nick Adernhart is a triple. Team leaders, Ryan Braun, Prince Fielder, and Ben Sheets. Team checklist, Carlos Quinton. Obama gets his first NBA win. So that is pretty sweet. So I can insert team checklist. Adrian Gonzalez. Josh Rodnickel, rookie, pitcher. Got a Mark Ellis. Johnny Damon. Johan Santana. Trevor Hoffman. Jose Lopez and BJ Upton. So now time for the NFL draft box. This pack first. Let me look at the packs. First pack, Matt Ryan, Jonathan Hefney, already have one. John Morgan, college grades, Deshaun Jackson, Marquise Colston, and Tom Jones. Dijon Tribble, BCI, Matt Flynn, Bruce Davis, college great Marcus Malk, Dallas Clark, and Warwick Dunn. Got a Jamal Charles. Ooh, Jamal Charles. Chris Ellis, Philip Merlin, college greats Early Dorsett, Monty Tuna, and Carlos Palmer. That's out. Jumbo one. Next pack. I think there's something good in this. James Hardy, Early Dorsett, another one. Gloucester Celeries, Lawrence Jackson, Rainbow, Clinton Portis, no insert in that. Let's hope that particular rainbow is good. Mario Urta, John Carlson. Oh, he's good. Darren Moore, Antonio Cason, insert. Okay. Reggie Nelson and Steven Flair. Also like often shitty bad lighting. Got a Josh Johnson, Sam Keller. Yeah, Sam Keller. Vernon Golson, he was good. Ooh, here's a double. It's a Franchise Foundation's Chris Long and Quentin Gross. Good look at that. I don't have to get too much sunlight. Kevin Clemens and LaMarcus White. Steve Slayton, Mario Manningham, DJ Hall, Jack Iguodala, no idea, Dwight Freeney, and Matt Leonard. Dan Connor, Hawkins, Harry Douglas, and the college recent. Ooh, nice one. Darren McFadden. That's pretty sweet. I'm just gonna check out this card's number. Nope. Giants Foundation is not number. Derek Anderson and Marion Barber. Happy with this. Got the Earl Bennett. Owen Schmidt. Ooh, we got two inserts in this one. Franchise Foundation's Darren McFadden to Shard Choice. There's a first. Here's the next one. Picks and pairings of John Tribble and Antoine Kaysen. Pretty sweet. Got Brian Dawkins and DeMarcus Cousins. 3 packs too. Cole Brennan, Jonathan Goff, Malcolm Kelly, another pairings. Matt Ryan and John Tribble, another John Tribble with this nice one. Actually, him being a big BC fan. Tegan Jr., Sean Merriman. You already have Sean Merriman. 2 Sean Merrimans. It's pretty sweet. I had the Merriman with me. I got another. I keep this under 8 minutes because that would be a pretty long video. Artis Bauman to Shard Choice. Martinez Bennett. Conference clashes, Malcolm Kelly and Frank Odom. That first clash is in 11, so that's pretty nice. Then Tony Romo and Terry Holt. So well for 8 minutes, but close. Donnie Avery, ooh, that's a nice one. Alan Patrick, Sean Crable. And the last insert, Brian Bone, College Roots. James Norton and Masi Agamuna. So please rate my box and leave comments. Thanks. See for cards, checking